Hi, I'm Dawn with K-Squared Technologies. In this tech tip, we'll look at how to create cross-references in Microsoft Word to link to document locations. A cross-reference allows you to link to other parts of the same document. These might include photos, figures, charts, tables, and other key locations. To begin, first move to the location where you want to build that reference. Often, cross-references have some sort of introductory text like see table on page, that type of thing. Build that text as necessary. Then choose Insert and Cross-Reference, which is found in the Links group, and explore the different types of references. So these might be headings, could be a bookmark, equations, even figures and tables. If you want to refer to a figure or table, you will also need to add a caption to those parts of the document. For this, I'll choose Bookmark. A bookmark is a way to label a location. To learn more about bookmarks, look in this channel for our video on Microsoft Word bookmarks. So this document has several different bookmarks, but what is it I want to refer to? Depending upon the reference type, you will then have various options or elements that you can refer to. For this one, I want to refer to the page number for the list of the top 10 chocolate manufacturers. Also notice here that we have the choice to insert as a hyperlink. So this becomes a clickable link that can be helpful whether you're in the Word document or perhaps a digital PDF. And now we'll insert and close. So notice now that I have this reference to page 9 where that list is currently located in the document. I'll hover over it, Control-click, and there we are. So that becomes a quick reference, whether it's for the reader or if you want to have that be a clickable link. Let's build a few more. I'll Shift F5 to move back to that location. And let's build a cross-reference to the fun facts about chocolate. Once again, Insert, Cross-Reference. This will also be a bookmark, and we'll choose page number. Here's my fun facts, and we'll insert and close. Now I could also refer to the text so that the text could be displayed. So let's look at this. Here I'll delete this fun facts and insert, cross-reference. Instead of the page number, this will be the bookmark text. So that is the text that was highlighted as part of that bookmark creation. The bookmark is called Fun Facts, and we'll insert and close. So that's another type of cross-reference that we could build. Once again, this is a clickable link. That would take me to that location. I also have the page number as another option. Control-click, here I am, and that gives us multiple ways to refer to it. Although this text is a clickable link, it's not going to be very obvious to your readers. And so instead of a cross-reference, a hyperlink might be a better choice. And I share those steps in my video on bookmarks. One of the advantages of cross-references versus just typing out a page number or typing the text of a heading is that as that content changes, it can be updated. Before you finalize a document, it's important that you update the cross-references. One way to do that is to print or use Print Preview, and that will update these fields. But you can also be more proactive about that. Now, one way would be to simply move to a field. Here we have this reference to page 9, and I'll right-click and choose Update Field. But you don't have to know where all those cross-references are. A quick way to fix this. Control-A, that selects the entire document, and all of the cross-references as well as other automated fields are selected and will be updated. So either hit the F9 function key or right-click and then choose Update Field again. So notice how this updated the page number for the fun facts, and if that heading had been changed, that would be updated as well. This also updates any table of contents that might be part of this long document. Now, if you no longer need a cross-reference, you can simply select it and hit delete. But if you'd like to keep the related text and only remove the link, then first select that text, and then on your keyboard, press Control-Shift-F9. That will remove the link, yet keep the text. Now you've seen how to use cross-references to link locations in a Word document. How will you use cross-references in your longer documents? In this K-Squared Tech Tip, you've seen how to work with cross-references in Microsoft Word. How can we help you to be more productive? Please reach out to us for IT services and consulting to support you with Microsoft technologies. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.